Hi, in this edition, I will show you how to use ChatGPT for financial forecasting. A lot of times, finance and FP&A teams need to use data in order to forecast future trends. And one way to do it is with the help of ChatGPT. Now, let's imagine that we have a data set in Excel that looks like this. So revenue, expenses, profit margin, net income, all of those columns. It's very easy to use the prompt that I will be attaching below in order to forecast these elements. So let's go and do it. In ChatGPT itself, we will just need to click on this icon and then upload from computer and upload the dataset in Excel, which your financial data. In here, I have a financial forecasting dummy data that looks like the one I showed before, and I'll be attaching to this exercise in case that you want to replicate. So go ahead and paste the prompt that you will be basically telling ChatGPT that you want to use this data to generate a financial forecast for the next year. We basically want these three things: to forecast the next year in a downloadable Excel, some data visualizations about the actuals and forecast by quarter, and we can put show me, and finally give me suggestions of next steps in financial analysis. If we go ahead and send this prompt, ChatGPT will start analyzing the data using Python programming language. And then we will be receiving these three outputs: the forecast in a downloadable Excel, then some data visualizations, and then some text on the next steps that ChatGPT is suggesting. Right now, it already tells us the financial forecast that we can go ahead and see it straight away in here within the ChatGPT interface, or we can download in here the financial forecast. Then it will give us some visualizations as well on revenue forecast, expenses, net income, and some next steps as well for this financial analysis. Thanks for watching.